Good day everyone, my name is Junel Devera from BSES 4A. Today I will discuss the soil compaction. This topic is important because soil condition directly affects plant growth, water movement, and overall agricultural productivity. Soil compaction is the densification of soil due to pressure from heavy machinery, livestock, or foot traffic. Compacted soil restricts growth of roots, reduces water infiltration, and limits gas exchange. Soil compaction is the tightening of soil particles caused by different factors. The soil becomes compacted and the space between soil particles are reduced, resulting to the roots have difficulty of growing and water cannot easily infiltrate, and air movement in this soil is limited, which is negatively affects the plant health. Causes of soil compaction.
Miles per hour, fully loaded, more than enough to make your spine tingle if you're riding shotgun. Loading this monster requires equally huge excavators or even tandem bulldozers working in sync. And when it's full, watching the dump beds.
Machinery use. Repeated use of tractors, harvesters, and other farm equipment compacts the soil, especially when the soil is moist. One of the major causes of soil compaction is the repeated use of heavy machinery such as tractors and harvesters. This is especially harm when the soil is wet because moist soil is more easily compressed. Over time, the weight of these machines presses soil particles together, making the soil hard and dense. High foot traffic. Areas with frequent movement by people or livestock are more prone to compaction. Next is tillage practices. Excessive tillage can cause compaction at deeper soil layers. Excessive or improper tillage practices can cause soil compaction. While tillage is used to prepare land for planting, overdoing it can create compacted layers deeper in the soil known as subsoil compaction. This layer restricts root penetration and water movement.
Lose.
Natural processes. Certain types of soil such as clay soil are naturally more prone to compaction due to their small particle size and low porosity. Some soils, especially clay soils, are naturally prone to compaction because of their small particle size and low porosity. In addition, heavy rainfall can compact exposed soil surfaces, particularly when there is little or no plant cover to protect the soil. Rainfall impact. Heavy rainfall on exposed soil can compact the soil surface, particularly in areas without sufficient plant cover. Conclusion: soil compaction is a serious issue caused by both human activities and natural processes. Understanding its causes helps us to manage soil better and protect agricultural productivity.
ありがとうだってばよ。